Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's topic is how to create pixel in Business Manager. First of all, open Facebook, then go professional dashboard, then open Meta Business site and go your business profile. Then data source, data states, click add, then name your pixel account, and create. Uh, there is my new pixel account. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.